A girl with eyes as big as the laughing midnight moon, whose vision expands from rolling ocean shore to rolling ocean shore, looks around at the big, big world and sees the things we simply cannot. She looks at a patch of dirt after a storm, covered in dots and dimples, and sees 1,000 birds, feathers so full and black, eyes beady with hunger, beaks as bright as the midday sun. They peck holes in the ground to find worms galore. Or she sees 1,000 tiny ants, bodies so red and loopy, legs skinny yet so, so strong, each striking out for their own, building a house for one. Or she wishes she just could have seen rain, the master of pointillism, create its beautiful art. She looks at the fire and sees dancers in the flames, bending and bowing, chattering and laughing, their red dresses billowing, their love so fierce it burns. She looks at clouds of smoke, and while others cry tornado and point at the spinning mass, she sees emotion, anger, hurt, passion, so thick it spirals. She looks at a tree and sees every individual leaf, each one a different shade of green. She sees the heart of nature welcome with open arms poor woodland creatures who have no home. She sees love sparkle around the sun-setting silhouette. She looks at animals, cows, dogs, cats, chickens, and can see their emotions radiating off them, joy, sadness, anger, laughter, like waves of color that only she can see. She knows what they are thinking when all but their eyes are silent. She can find a friend when others notice none. She looks at the sky and sees a playful daughter, her eyes so crystal blue, painting to her heart's delight the clouds upon which we gaze. She looks towards the ocean and can see the whales swimming in the shimmering sea, their fins flapping as they beckon her to join them, their calls echoing across the world. She can see the mountains, stoic and respected, with a gleam in their eye, telling her to climb them. She can see the jungles, as mischievous as the animals that abide within it, rivers teasing her, trees calling for her to brave their twisting centers. She takes her shoes off, to feel the ever-shifting sands of hope beneath her feet, to feel the soft grass covered in 1,000 tears of dew finally wipe their eyes. She wears her hair down, to feel the wind come tell her hello, and bring her new secrets from across the world. She finds beauty in all the nature around her, but the most beautiful thing she has ever seen are people. Their smiles so white and gleaming, like freshly fallen snow, their hair thick and shiny, playing at their scalps, their hands so ready to hold another. She looks at them, and her very heart swells with happiness and wonder. She goes to the little ones, and spins them round and round, until all their laughter mixes into one joyful sound. She goes to the grown ones, and listens to what they say, nodding and smiling until her head hurts, but the pain flows away because she knows they are happy. She goes to the aged ones and talks with them, holding cold hands lined with time, until she warms them again. Never has she seen a more beautiful creation. She thanks the Creator for these people most of all. When they cry, she cries. When they hurt, she hurts. When they laugh, she laughs. Until all of them know they have a friend in this girl, A girl with eyes as big as the laughing midnight moon, whose vision expands from rolling ocean shore to rolling ocean shore.